The recent Pixel feature drop introduced the Video Boost feature for the Google Pixel 8 Pro, but its significance appears more comprehensive than initially recognized. As per Android Police's report, a subtle alteration in the camera app's iNow simplifies the activation process for Video Boost in specific scenarios. Notably, when attempting video capture in low-light settings, the Pixel 8 Pro camera app now recommends using Video Boost with Night Sight. This diverges from the original Night Sight rollout, which featured a much larger prompt dominating 3/4 of the screen and a sizable toggle for activating Video Boost. The new, less intrusive prompt is more tailored in its initiation, emerging exclusively when the Pixel 8 Pro camera detects low-light conditions. Notably, a prompt is crucial given that Video Boost doesn't activate automatically, making it easy to overlook. Video Boost is an intriguing addition to the Pixel 8 Pro, but it entails several prerequisites for optimal functionality. While intended to enhance video quality by updating dynamic range sharpness, color, and stabilization for uploaded videos, it necessitates the activation of Google Photo Backup to function efficiently. Crucially, Video Boost doesn't operate locally on the Pixel 8 Pro, despite the Tensor Gate 3 chip's power. Instead, the feature transmits recorded videos to Google Cloud servers, where each frame undergoes an HDR image pipeline for quality enhancement. Consequently, the feature remains constantly activated, requiring manual activation each time the camera app is used. This minor adjustment promises a smoother experience for users seeking top-notch outcomes from their devices. The refined toggle for Video Boost is particularly beneficial given reports of its substantial impact on enhancing low-light videos.